In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove starred emails in Gmail. Email management can sometimes feel overwhelming, and a cluttered inbox is nobody's friend. Fortunately, Gmail offers a handy feature called starring that allows us to quickly highlight important emails for easy access. Whether you're new to Gmail or just want to optimize your email organization, this guide will help streamline your process and save you time. Let's begin with adding stars to your emails. Imagine you're looking at your inbox and you see an email that you know you'll need to refer back to frequently. It could be a client's message that requires a thorough response or an important memo from your boss. Once you've identified this email, adding a star is a simple way to make it stand out. Navigate to your Gmail inbox and look at the line of emails. Next to each email, usually on the left, you'll notice a faint star icon. By clicking this star, you're essentially bookmarking that email. Instantly, the star turns yellow, signifying that it's now a starred email. This feature is great because it's fast, intuitive, and ensures that the emails you need most are easy to locate later. Later, when time is of the essence, you can view all your starred messages in one place by clicking on the starred section in the left sidebar of Gmail. This gathers all your prioritized emails into one folder, making your life just a bit easier and helping you stay organized during a busy day. Now, let's talk about removing a star when it's no longer needed. Perhaps the urgent task has been completed or the email content is no longer relevant. Navigate to your starred folder or scroll through your inbox as usual. Find the email whose star you want to remove and simply click on the yellow star. With one click, the star disappears and the email returns to its normal state in your inbox. This keeps your starred folder current with only your most important emails. One useful tip is that you can customize your star settings in Gmail's settings menu. Here, you can choose different star colors and symbols to categorize emails by priority levels or type. This adds another layer of organization, allowing you to visually prioritize emails at a glance. So, there you have it. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.